What is up, you guys? Pete Carlo here with DeCarlo Capital, and today we're talking about NVIDIA. This is a stock that we have not really looked at in the past couple of weeks. We were originally watching it back here around January 12th to 13th, looking for a potential bounce off of support. But since then, we have snapped. We have dropped down to this next range of about 228, and a lot of people are asking me to do an update video on this to see if I think we're going to get a bounce. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, check out our Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, as well as the best unusual options bot out there. This bot is a $200 a month service that we pay for, so you guys have it for free, so that you can get access to the same exact unusual flow, same exact dark pools, same exact heat maps, and everything that I use to trade each and every single day. The link is in the description, guys. Go ahead and check it out. Now, taking a look at NVIDIA, this is a perfect example here of a beautiful bull flag setting up, or a beautiful ABCD pattern. So we had this big push up, consolidation back, followed by this good push up, and it looked like we were going to try to break out here, and we just weren't able to. So one of the things that you're going to notice here, we had this good bull flag, which we were talking about before. We had this strong support down at 269. We tried to test a breakout here. What was the date on this? Tried to test a breakout on December 28th, pulled back, pushed up, and tried to test a breakout one more time on January 3rd and January 4th. Now you can see here, I have this little text note that says heavy volume resistance. So you can see that this volume here on this volume profile, this wide area, this is showing you at what price volume comes in at, because these normal bars at the bottom, they're just going to show you the amount of shares traded relative to that day, but they're not going to show you at what price the shares were coming through at. A volume profile will show you those. So you can see here on this day, on the 4th of January, we tried to push through, and what's one thing you notice? Heavy volume resistant, heavy trendline resistance, but look at the actual volume for the day. If we go all the way down and I put this right on there, what do you notice about volume for the day? I'll zoom in a little bit. It was very low, like literally half of what the normal volume is. And when you see a potential breakout with low volume, that is normally a sign of a rejection and that we're not going to be able to push through. And you can see here, we rejected, we pulled back, volume started getting heavy on the sell-off. We tried to hold major support here at 271, tried to push back up, and then the whole market rolled over, including NVIDIA, and we had this big drop down. And honestly, from that point, back on the 23rd of December, we have dropped 28%. And if you look at from here at 346, which was November 22nd, we're actually down about 40%, which is pretty crazy. But now we're finally back at what I think is a normal level. You can see heavy area of support down here where we have a 200-day SMA. We also have point of control down at 200. And you can also see there's a thick area of volume, and we're trying to find a bounce here. Now, for me, best entry personally is down at $200. That's because this is where this old support was prior, and this is also where point of control is. But if you want to start a position here for the next couple of months, I don't think it's a bad idea. Like I said, for me, I'm really targeting 200, and then I'd be setting a stop loss around 184. But if you really like this and you really want to get in long or something, this is a great position to start here. You can also see the RSI is still pointing down at 26, but it is very, very oversold. Overall, though, I really like NVIDIA. I think that this thing looks really good, and I think that this could be a really good entry for the next couple of months. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe, check out our Discord, like I said below. As always, guys, thank you for all the support. It truly means the world to me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.